1. Which type of security control is used after the event, in an effort to minimize the extent of damage? A. Deterrent. B. Corrective. C. Preventative. D. Detective. Answer: B. Corrective controls are used after the event, in an effort to minimize the extent of damage. A deterrent control acts to influence the attacker by reducing the likelihood of success. A preventative control is one that prevents specific actions from occurring. A detective control is one that facilitates the detection of a security breach. 2. Which type of security control is used to meet a requirement when the requirement cannot be directly met? A. Preventative. B. Physical. C. Deterrent. D. Compensating. Answer: D. A compensating control is one that is used to meet a requirement when the requirement cannot be directly met. Fire suppression systems do not prevent fire damage, but if properly employed, they can mitigate or limit the level of damage from fire. A preventative control is one that prevents specific actions from occurring. A physical control is one that prevents specific physical actions from occurring, such as a man-trap prevents tailgating. A deterrent control acts to influence the attacker by reducing the likelihood of success. 3. The use of a penetration test to determine vulnerabilities is an example of what category of control? A. Operational. B. External. C. Managerial. D. Technical. Answer: C. A penetration test is a form of risk assessment and thus is a managerial action, as it advises management of the current risk posture associated with a system. 4. The use of combination locks as a security control procedure to limit physical security risk is an example of what category of control? A. Physical. B. Technical. C. Operational. D. Corrective. Answer: C. An operational control is a policy or procedure used to limit security risk. The key word in the question is category. 5. A man-trap is an example of which type security control? Choose all that apply. A. Physical. B. Corrective. C. Administrative. D. Preventative. Answer: A and D. It is possible for a specific security control to fall into more than one type. Because a man-trap is a physical barrier that prevents tailgating, it is both a physical control and a preventative control. Corrective controls are used after the event, in an effort to minimize the extent of damage. An administrative control is simply a distractor. 6. Which of the following is not a category of security controls? A. People. B. Managerial. C. Technical. D. Operational. Answer: A. People is not a defined category of security control. Security controls that function through people's actions are called operational controls. 7. Which category of control is most likely to be automated? A. Corrective. B. Technical. C. Operational. D. Compensating. Answer: B. Technical controls are the most likely to be automated, as they are machine-based. 8. There is no direct way to detect and respond to a specific threat. What is the best control type to employ for this case? A. Technical. B. Corrective. C. Preventative. D. Compensating. Answer: D. Compensating controls are used when there is no direct way to address a risk. 9. An intrusion detection system is an example of what control type? A. Detective. B. Technical. C. Compensating. D. Operational. Answer: A. The key word in the question is type, making detective the correct answer. If the question asked for the category, the correct answer would be technical. 10. Which of the following is the fastest category of control when responding to a known threat? A. Operational. B. Technical. C. Administrative. D. Managerial. Answer, B. Technical controls can be automated and can thus be the fastest to respond to an incident.